Yabona ke inkinga ngalendlela leyo yokufunda yokuthi uzofika uzame lokho bese uyafunda emaphutheni uphinde uzame lokho bese uyafunda emaphutheni and then bese uthi it's the way of growing and learning. That's a very slow and steady way of learning and growing because we don't have all the time here kulo mhlaba. So it's a very slow process. That is why kwaba khona human design, ngoba human design yenza ukuthi uavoid ukuthatha ama decisions nokwenza izinto ezingenasidingo that doesn't like form part. Yabo ukwenza nje izinto engenasidingo, uzame lokhu uzame lokhuyana, ufaile kulokhu ufaile kulokhuyana. Why don't you just preserve the energy and ufunde kulokhu okuqondene nawe? Because yazi la khona abantu okuthi they are just carrying ama burdens abanye abantu nje, they are just learning for no reason nje, bathola ubunzima for nothing. Yabo bahlula lento ekuthiwa autonomy, bahambe belalela abantu ukuthi zama lokhu zama lokhu, zama ngitshe zama lokhu mina iauthority yakho ingavumanga kanjalo ungalandela idesign yakho, ngikuphilisa impilo yami phela lapho. Wena mina mele ngiadvise wena you follow your strategy and authority ukuthi leyo nto uyahambelana yini nayo, ngoba uzogcina ulokhu uhamba ufunda. Yabo ngenza isibonelo kanje, ngoba sengibonile ukuthi abantu abaningi engeke ngikhulume nabo la baya trade. Ake ngithi mhlambe wena you want to make few trades or you want to make 2000 rands a day. Uma wena uzohamba ungami ulinde setup yakho bese uya execute trade, kuukuthi wena nje uyadribula nje, wena nje into oyibonayo nje wena uyadribula nje, into oyisolayo ukuthi nje iyona uyadribula, lapho uyagona to lose a lot of money because wena uyadribula nje, wena uyadribula. By the time iqhamuka yakhe setup you are already down by 4000, ayisakwenzela umehluko. Sho lento yokuhamba uzama without following your strategy and authority ikwenza ukuthi vele uwaste energy, vele ikwenza ukuthi vele energy uyiwaste. Asikho isidingo sokuthi umuntu akhathazeke. Ngihlezi mina ngenza isibonelo ngami ngoba imina umuntu ongimazi kangcono yilo. Iziningi kabi izinto mina engisafuna ukuyi-accomplisha la emhlabeni, ziningi, yabo, ziningi kabi. Ezinye zincane, ezinye zinkulu, ezinye inkulu kakhulu, kodwa angitatazeli, angijahe indawo ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngilandela idesign yami mina. Ngeke vele ngisuke nje mina ngithi yabona manje ngiyacabanga ukuthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi manje ngiqale lento ukuthi ngiyacabanga mele ngibuke lapho ukuthi ngiyacabanga ithini kanti ilokhu ngana yami, ithini mina idesign yami, my strategy, my authority ithini, mele ngicabange. Ayisho njalo mina yami idesign, ayisho ukuthi mele ngicabange, ithi mele ngilinde bese ngiyaresponda to i-situation. I-situation yona ezongiphoqa ukuthi njenga manje sekuyisikhathi sale nto le izongiphoqa, and mangiyibuza ngizoziphendula ukuthi ang-initiate la, hayi ukuthi ngiyacabanga la, angicabangi la ngiyaresponda, sekuyisona isikhathi. Yabo mhlambe a practical example iyiphi, ngiyabo nje manje right now as we speak, mina I'm a public speaker, mina ngiyawazi lokho, ngiphiwe ukukhuluma, mina ngumphathi wenhlelo, mina into engiyenzile leyo. Kodwa njengamanje ngibhizinesi ezinye izinto and futhi it seems like ngibhizinesi ezinye izinto ayifuthi nento eziningi, but angeke ngize ngivele ngisuke nje ngithi mina without responding to anything sengiyavele sengiyasukele kanje sengithi guys sengicela ningiqashe manje sengikwi public speaking, sengicela manje ningiqashe manje ekuphatheni inhlelo. Lonto ngipipeline ukuthi mele yenzeke kanjani is not my lokhungana, my burden ukuthi mele yenzeke kanjani. lokho ngiyakwazi kuzokwenzeka kodwa mina kumele ukuthi vele ngilale ngivuke nje ngiyobhala ipost ngithi ofuna uqasha uMC nangu ofuna ipublic speaking nansi leyo initiative leyo ngiyenzani lapho mangiyibuza nje leyo nto ngiyayisusela la ekhanda lami noma content responder kuyona eseyifuna lento engiyenzayo manje kwenzakaleni because that is the question ukuthi are you responding now or are you initiating ngoba mina ngiyi-manifesting generator mina yabo mele ngikwazi ukwenza izinto engiyiqale ngizi-initiator mina ngoba phela njengoba ngiyi-manifesting generator a pure manifesting generator izinto ezinye i-energy yami is moving very fast mina nje i-energy yami is moving very fast inakho nje ukuba impatient because I have a very 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 immense amount of energy because I'm a pure manifesting generator channel 3420 esuka from my battery power la kwisacral iya straight with throat for manifestation. That is why I think fast and do yabo lento ye-patience ithanda uba inkinga. I act very fast even ngisho ngihamba mina ama-chances ukuthi uhlangane nami ngihamba kancane ayehlampa less than 10% ama-chances aleyo nto if not 5 ngihamba kancane. So ngaleso sizathu sokuba yilo nginama-manifesting capabilities ngizoba nakho ukuqala izinto out of the blue. Lezo zinto lezo zizofeyila showcase zizofeyila ngoba I just initiated nje. I just wanted to manifest something for energy outlet. All of a sudden sengiyaza ngisenayo energy yaleyanto seyiphelile siya collapse ke ayisaqhubeki ke leyo nto njalo mangithi ngicabanga ngiyayona sengiyazi ngiyayihudula isiya fade ke lo nto angisenayo energy. Why? Vele bengarespondanga bengivele ngayisukela nje. Mele uyibone into ukuthi lento ngivele ngayisukela nje angizange ngize ngirespond angaze kuze kuqhamuke umuntu angaze ngibone lutho ngaphandle akho situation akho lutho nje ngivele ngayicabanga nje sengiyayenza. Akuyona ke indlela yokwenza leyo uma uyi-generator yabo akuyona. Angizizwa ngumuntu onjani stagnant ngokuthi akukho engikwenzayo makusuke ukuthi mhlambe kusene period ethi nje angikwenzi lutho. Angizizwa ngi-stagnant ngobani ithi strategy ne-authority rather i-strategy sithi wait to respond. Umbuzo uthi while I'm waiting ngenzani while I'm waiting ngenzani. I'm busy with things that I love in the meantime. I'm busy with the things I love. Ngizobona ngenzani yini engiyithandayo yini engifuna ukuyenza in the meantime. Akukho, there's nothing showing up exciting, there's no initiative, there's no nothing. Kuthuli, it's fine. Let me go on. Angeke ngize ngibe hasty. Ngiyazi ukuthi uma sekumele kube content ezakalayo izoziletha. Futhi there's a catch ke kulento ukuthi ube busy with something that you love in the meantime. Lokho kwenza ukuthi ube magnetic rather than ukuthi uzizwe unengcindezi, uzizwe into zakho zimile. Inkinga abantu balindile kodwa banengcindezi. That is why izinto ekumele zize kubona zingezi. Balindile hayi ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe ulinde ngoba vele uyazi ukuthi u-applya i-system lengikhuluma ngayo. Ingoba nje ulindile unalento ethi resentment, ubitter, ukhathele nje yabo u-confused futhi khona lapho. Hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe energetically speaking ayikho into ayi-attractayo yakhe lapho ayikho. Ngobani? Hayi ukuthi ulinde ngoba ethanda, ulinde by force, impilo imforcile ukuthi alinde. So aka-attract ke lo muntu uyarepela nje. Be busy with something you love in the meantime. Khona uzoyeka wonke ama-opportunities lawo engesiwona wakho bese uqonda nje straight kweyakho yabo. Kodwa ke mina ngohlezi ngisho into eyodwa ngithi you follow your strategy and authority. Akukho la kumele ukuthi ujahe khona, akukho. Ujahe ngo-full sprint nje uyapi ngoba uzokhathala ube udaka. Ngisho umuntu ophumelele ongayazi human design uzokutshela kodwa ukuthi yazi kwavele kwenze umuntu usuyahlehla uyabona kwakuyi-human design lento yenzeka kuyena kodwa ukuthi wengayazi. By the way, ichasi lakho ngalithola ku www.akashianmedia.co.za.